Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a short video about the new design work that we've done to SpamZilla to the user interface. So when you log in now, you'll notice things look a little bit different. So this is the main screen you'll see once you log in. You'll notice that there's some buttons from the top here, the export button and the filter drop-down menu, as well as some of the other settings and help and profile buttons from up here. So we just wanted to make the user interface a bit more intuitive and simple to use. Okay, there's a lot of data to filter through. There's a lot of features and settings and things. So we're just trying to make it a bit more intuitive for everybody. Okay, so I'll just dive straight into it. So this is the main domains table that you'll be familiar with. Nothing has really changed from this table. You can click on a SpamZilla score to then reveal, the extra data that's specific to that domain. You can see all the screenshots. You can click on the tabs down the left-hand side here to see the different features and things. Okay, the filtering is still the same. Your filters button is up here. If you want to add or remove columns from the main domains table, you do that by clicking on this button and then adding or selecting or deselecting any of these tick boxes. Another thing that's changed is the amount of domains to appear in the domains table. You configure that here. Okay. Other than that, everything is essentially the same in the filters area. Okay, the filter drop-down menu, the quick select drop-down menu is now here. Okay, so any of the filters that you configure and then save, so any of these saved ones, for easy, simple access, you can use this drop-down menu. And when you select on one of the filters that you've saved, it will quickly load that data into the domains table for you. This just streamlines your process a bit more. Okay, now you'll notice that down the left-hand side is a menu. So this is now the main menu that has all of the functionality and tools for SpamZilla. When we add new features and new tools and things, they'll be added into this menu. Okay, so it makes things quite easy and quite intuitive. The first option here is just the profile. This just shows you your profile information. You can change your password or edit your details, and you can also go to the customer hub to update any of your billing information. Okay, one of the other features that we've removed from this upper section here was the export buttons. Okay, so now the export button is here in the menu, and there's two ways to use it. You can select on some domains and click on the export button, and it will show you that you've selected 4 domains and you can export a CSV or an XLS file. The other way to use the export button is just simply clicking on the export button, selecting the amount of domains that you would like to export, and then selecting which file type you would like to export. So this, in this case, is 500 domains that I'm exporting, relates to the filtered list that I've created here. Okay, the other icons here, this videos icon takes you to the video tutorials, help takes you to the the SpamZilla wiki page, which has lots of helpful information, instructions and tutorials. The tour just shows you the tour of the user interface. The credits here, this relates to the amount of credits that you have for using the self-service tool, where you can process your own domains through SpamZilla for spam checking. This is also where you can buy more credits if you happen to run out through this section. Okay, an exciting area. We've added some new tools into SpamZilla for our users. So the Tools menu shows the domains table, which is here. The self-service tool, which you can process your own domains through SpamZilla. A small change in here is the settings is now under this button, settings button, and this is where you can define your languages and bad word lists and other preferences. Okay, we've also created a Wayback Exporter tool. Okay, so this is a tool that will you can import any domain, and in this case we can put in SpamZilla. It will bring up different dates from the archive.org or the Wayback Machine website, and then you simply just click on select, and it will go and process that request for you. So it will go to the archive.org website, it will find that date for the domain, and it will export the HTML, JavaScript and CSS files into a downloadable file for you, so that you can then easily extract and upload to a host and recover a site quite easily. Okay, you'll see a little notification here, so when any of the jobs that you set up and run, whenever they complete, you'll see a little notification here that you've got a pending or a completed job that you can go and investigate. You'll also receive an email once a job has completed. Another tool that we've created is a bulk whois checking tool. Okay, so we process, in total, we're currently processing over 300,000, I think it's closer to 350,000 domains every day. Of that amount, we're processing over 100,000 expired domains daily. It's going to be quite a bit more very soon. To do that, we need to have a very powerful domain availability checker, or a whois checker. A few years ago, we built a very powerful one that we've been running for a few years, and we've recently been upgrading it to support more of the European TLDs. So you'll see here in this box the different TLDs, or country code specific top level domains, that are available using this tool. In this box here, you can just simply type a bunch of domains that you would like to check, click on submit, and it will run the job down here. If you would like to give the list a certain name, then you add in a name there, click on submit, and you'll see the name here, and that looks like it's already finished. You can click on the CSV Export, and it'll tell you which domains in the list are available or unavailable. In this list here, just the maximum amount of domains you can add is 1,000. If you would like to add more, you can use a text file. So upload a text file here. You can use a maximum of 30,000 domains at a time, and in your text file just have a single domain on each line, so a domain per line going downwards. Save it as a text.txt file, upload that, give it a name, click on submit, and it will go away and process those domains for you and let you know. At this stage, these two tools, the Wayback Exporter tool and the whois tool, they are essentially available. They're not hooked up to any of your credits, so they're available for use as much as you want. In a sense, always consider a good fair use policy as well. We will see if anyone is abusing these systems. But yeah, quite excited to share these tools with you guys. The user interface at this stage is fairly basic. We may be updating that in future, but essentially for now we just wanted to get these tools out there and shown to you guys. Okay, so that's it for this update. We've got another update hopefully coming next week where we're adding more data, and we'll provide another video and email out to everyone then. Okay, I hope you enjoy this update. Thank you.